If you feel like recovery is getting harder, not easier, that's actually a good sign because it means you're actually making progress. So hear me out. Early on in recovery, you probably would have made improvements whether you did a lot of rehab or not. There's a lot of processes going on in the brain after that initial insult. Simplified, think about like a bruise. As that bruise starts to heal, neurons that maybe were just kind of knocked around a little bit but not killed kind of come back online. We call that spontaneous recovery. And as those bumped neurons come back online, you're going to notice a lot of improvements. Then you hit that like maybe 3 month mark. Everyone will tell you a little bit of a different time frame, but just based on my experience, that 3 month mark, 3 to 6 month mark is really where you'll start to see progress slow down because a lot of like that initial bleed or insult has kind of settled down, and so you kind of now know what's left as far as what are actual damaged neural networks. This is where rewiring is necessary. What is rewiring or brain reorganization? It's where healthy neurons or living neurons kind of take over for some of those dead neurons. Now, why do I tell you all this? Brain rewiring or reorganization requires learning. Learning is hard, especially as an adult. Now, add one layer to that. In some cases, you start to get a little bit more spasticity and a little bit more of those abnormal synergy patterns. Both things are just part of the recovery process. That means you're just getting a little bit further along in the stages of recovery. But that's usually when you start to feel that heaviness or you feel those ballistic movements or that your movements kind of occur like in patterns where multiple joints kind of move together. Some of you experience your arm and your leg kind of link up and move together. Super frustrating and can be a little bit overwhelming at times, especially when you've kind of had this like super steep climb in your progress up until this point and now it kind of levels off a little bit. But don't give up. Be intentional about what you're working on. Have focused attention to what you're doing. Remove distractions or stimulation. Try not to do it at a time of day when you're the most tired or you just got in a fight with a friend or your spouse. All of that will create interference with your brain's ability to rewire. But you can do it. If you keep showing up and keep putting in the work, I'm going to beat this drum as long as I have breath in me, you will continue to see progress. And if you don't believe me, go down to the comments. You will read tons of testimonies of people who are happy to share how they are still making progress 3, 5, 10 years after their stroke. So keep going, don't give up, you can do this.